When opportunities presents itself, don't be afraid to go after it. Dear viewers of Marine Tidings, we all are well familiar with the word opportunity, and the talents which are innate in us can be shown to others through the opportunities we get. So, what is opportunity? Opportunity is nothing but a chance to do something, to prove something, to create something, and at last to learn something. We all like to have an opportunity. It is a word which inspires us, it gives us hope, as well as something we can wish upon to make our life better. We all like to have an opportunity, but when opportunity comes in front of us, we may get scared and we try to pass on that opportunity to others. Thomas Edison says, opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and it looks like work. To achieve anything in life, we need to take a chance. We all are well familiar with successful personalities such as Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, who have used their opportunities in the best possible way and have now become a best role models for all of us in the world. Instead, if they had passed on their opportunity to others, then their identity wouldn't have existed in this world. In Hindi, there is a famous quote, and it goes like this: कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. If we have to achieve something, then we have to sacrifice something. Opportunities are a culmination of sacrifices that we make to achieve our goals. Having said this, it is also futile to keep waiting for the opportunity to knock on our door. Instead of waiting for the opportunity, we should create our own opportunities. Francis Bacon says, a wise man will make more opportunities than he finds. We all are well familiar with the leading Tamil actor Rajinikanth. Before joining in the film industry, he used to do the job of a bus conductor. Since acting was his passion, he used to do various styles while giving ticket to the passengers. And one day, a director was traveling in the bus, and the director saw the style which Rajinikanth was performing. And the director asked him, would you like to join in the film industry? From that moment onwards, Rajinikanth's life got changed. Indeed, Rajinikanth is a wise man because he created an opportunity for himself. He did not wait for it, but he created it through his time. Each new day we get is a new opportunity, and for this we should thank our Almighty God. Before beginning a new day, we should spend a moment of silence before Almighty God and ask Him to create opportunities. Because Matthew chapter 7 verses 7 says, ask and it will be given. So ask with faith and you will see your golden opportunities in front of us. Lastly, I would like to repeat the same quote which I said in the beginning. When opportunities presents itself, don't be afraid to go after it. Grab it and make full use of it in events which you all are getting in your life.